Welcome to Dojo DevSec. If I were starting my journey as an ethical hacker today, this is the path I'd follow. No noise, no fluff, just clear steps to build the skills that matter. And yes, we've got awesome walkthroughs coming soon on Linux, Python, hacking labs, and real-world security challenges. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a single update. Step 1. Learn the fundamentals. Understand how computers and networks really work. Study IP addresses, ports, protocols, and firewalls. Get hands-on with Linux. Learn to navigate the terminal because that's where ethical hackers live. Step 2. Start coding. Choose a language you'll stick with. Python is powerful, beginner-friendly, and used in security tools everywhere. Use it to build password generators, scanners, and automation scripts. Simple projects that teach essential skills. Step 3. Understand vulnerabilities. Learn how systems fail and how attackers exploit them. Study web security, phishing, malware, and injections. Train in safe environments like TryHackMe and Hack the Box. Fail fast, learn fast, level up. Step 4. Master the mindset. Ethical hacking isn't just about tools, it's about curiosity, discipline, and thinking like an attacker with a defender's heart. Read breach reports, ask questions, understand human behavior. Because behind every system, there's a person. Step 5. Build your portfolio. Create tools, write guides, post walkthroughs, share them on GitHub with clear documentation. Build trust by showing your process and teaching what you learn. Step 6. Earn certifications if they serve your goals. CEH, Security Plus, OSCP, they can boost your credibility, but real impact comes from skills and proof of work. Focus on learning, the titles will follow. This is the roadmap, and if you're starting now, you're in the right place. Ethical hacking is more than just a job. It's a mission to protect privacy, truth, and trust in a digital world. Thanks for watching Dojo DevSec. Drop a comment below. Tell me what you're working on or where you're starting. Like and share this video if it helped you. And remember, the dojo is open. Let's train together.